Hello students, now we are studying the positive term series. Now in this type of series, today we see geometric series. So definition of geometric series is the series of the form summation r raised to n is equal to 0 to infinity, where r is greater than 0 is called geometric positive term series. So geometric series is summation r raised to n and n is equal to 0 to infinity. And as we know, we are studying the positive term series, so this term r is greater than 0. So remember these two things, that is r is greater than 0 and summation starts from n is equal to 0 to infinity. So this is geometric series. Now we have to prove theorem, that is the positive term geometric series summation r raised to n converges for r is less than 1 and diverge to infinity for r greater than or equal to 1. So this is a very important result, and you have to remember that the geometric series is convergent only when r is less than 1. Otherwise, when r is greater than 1 and when r is equal to 1, it is divergent. So we have to prove this. So there are three cases: r is less than 1, then r is equal to 1, and r is greater than 1. So let us see first case, that is r is less than 1. Obviously r is greater than 0 because we have taken positive term series. So for this given series summation r raised to n, this for this series r raised to n, this n is equal to 0 to infinity. So for this series, the sequence of partial sum Sn, that there Sn is equal to 1 plus r square plus r cube plus dash dash plus r raised to n minus 1. You know that Sn is sum of first n terms. So first term is here, put n is equal to 0, then r raised to 0. So r raised to 0 is equal to 1. Therefore first term is 1. Then second term n is equal to 1. Therefore r raised to 1. Third term r square. So these are the terms of the series, and Sn is equal to sum of n terms. Therefore last term will be r raised to n minus 1. Now sum of these n terms is, since these terms are in geometric progression. That means ratio of successive two terms is equal to r. This r square upon r is equal to r cube upon r square is equal to r. So ratio of these two successive terms is equal to r, that is constant. Therefore these terms are in geometric progression, and we know the formula for sum of the n terms of geometric progression is equal to 1 minus r raised to n divided by 1 minus r. So Sn is equal to, this we can write by separating these two terms. 1 minus r raised to n, we can write 1 upon 1 minus r minus r raised to n upon 1 minus r. So Sn is equal to 1 upon 1 minus r minus r raised to n upon 1 minus r. Therefore this Sn is less than this 1 upon 1 minus r, because 1 upon 1 minus r minus some quantity. So this is less than 1 upon 1 minus r for n is greater than or equal to 1, because when n is equal to 0, the first term is 1. So this Sn is less than 1 upon 1 minus r. Therefore when our r is between 0 to 1, this sequence is bounded above. This Sn is less than some quantity, means Sn is sequence Sn is bounded above. Therefore it is convergent, and therefore since sequence Sn is convergent, the series is also convergent. So we have proved that this sequence is convergent when r is between 0 to 1. Now let us see second case. Suppose r is equal to 1. Now when r is equal to 1, this series becomes summation r raised to n becomes summation 1 raised to n. Therefore this is equal to 1 raised to 0, that is 1, plus 1 raised to 1, that is 1, plus 1 raised to 2, 1 square, that is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus dash dash. This is our series. Now here Sn becomes 1 plus up to nth term, that is n times 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus. Therefore this sum is equal to n. So Sn is equal to n. Now if we take limit of Sn, then limit of Sn is equal to limit of n, this is equal to infinity, because n tends to infinity, this n becomes infinity. So limit is infinity. Therefore this sequence Sn is divergent, and it diverges to infinity. Therefore our series also divergent when r is equal to 1. So we have proved that when r is equal to 1, series is divergent. Now let us see third case, when r is greater than 1. So when r is greater than 1, our series becomes 1 plus r square plus r cube plus dash dash. For that Sn is equal to 1 plus r square plus dash dash. Last term will be r raised to n minus 1. Therefore Sn is equal to, as we written above, formula for the geometric progression, sum of n terms is, so 1 minus r raised to n divided by 1 minus r. So this is equal to 1 minus r raised to n upon 1 minus r. By changing sign numerator and denominator, we get this is equal to r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Now if we take limit of Sn as n tends to infinity, this is equal to limit of this r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1 n tends to infinity. So here we have to take limit only for this term r raised to n. So limit of r raised to n as n tends to infinity, since r is greater than 1, this r raised to n tends to infinity becomes infinity. Therefore this is infinity minus 1 divided by r minus 1, so this becomes infinity. Therefore sequence Sn is a divergent sequence, it diverges to infinity. Therefore this sequence Sn is divergent, and therefore series r raised to n is equal to 0 to infinity is also divergent when r is greater than 1. So we have proved that all the cases, and we can conclude that this geometric series r raised to n is equal to 0 to infinity converges for r is greater than 0 and less than 1, and diverges to infinity for r is greater than or equal to 1. So we stop here.